sliding everywhere in the car. You just beat your dad. What the hell was that? Yeah. How did you? What the hell?
That's so funny.
Right time, folks.
How did he do that?
That's not bad.
How did he do that?
Put his foot in the gas.
That was crazy.
Never let up.
Slow to win.
Oh my goodness, that was crazy. She hits.
Good stuff.
You just did things there that aren't possible in this car. You realize that, right?
Hey, it did great. Ah, fuck. That was dry.
Automatic.
Automatic. How do you even?
Wow. Plus you were sliding around. Thank you. It's just like super fast getaways.